Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to accept Zelle payments with WooCommerce. Well, accepting Zelle payments with WooCommerce is actually quite simple. We need to go to our WordPress dashboard, and here in WordPress we're going to go directly to the plugins section right here and click on Add Plugin, okay? So when we actually click there, what we really need to do is to carefully search for this particular plugin right here. This specific one we currently have here that clearly says this, as you can see here. So we're going to install it, okay? Once we've installed it, what we're going to do is look for this option here which says peer-to-peer, and we're going to click on it. Once we enter the settings of the adjustments of the app, of the application we just installed, or the plugin we just installed, and well, what we are going to do here in this particular instance is actually pretty simple and straightforward. Here, what we're going to do is add a P2P account. We're going to click this button here, and when we do, we'll see here that we have the option to add an account. Here we're going to choose the currency, the platform, which in this case is Zelle, and all the other information they're asking for, okay? And well, that's it. That's how you can accept Zelle payments with WooCommerce. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.